clue, my friend. Not a clue. What's that?
Did you say butter?
That's what I was told. Did you want to check the kitchen just to make sure? How does that look? Even this, pull nothing out. I don't know. Good, I flushed it, but I didn't open it yet. I'm gonna close this for 1 second, just like that.
Yeah.
That all seems fine. So you're working for On It now, eh?
Yeah.
How's that so far?
A lot of work.
Yeah, eh?
More than before, yeah. Give a little bit more money, but
A little bit more money, a lot more work.
a lot more work, yeah, exactly.
That's how they get you.
And yeah. When you want to do the taxes, you have to pay more, so same thing absolutely.
Yeah. They never do it to help the employees. It's always about the management, right?
It's always about not come too much money.
But I heard guys got like buyouts and everything. Buyouts. So like, there was one guy in Scarborough. He, I'm not gonna say which building, but he said he got something like $20,000 or $30,000 buyout. He doesn't work for the company no more. They bought him out.
Depends how much he worked with Capri.
I think he was working with Capri for.
I think he's working long time.
Yeah.
If you get this amount, yeah. If you work long time, yeah.
But he also, like, he doesn't have a job now, right? So it's.
You can come to Onion, but they give an offer to everybody who wants.
Yeah, I think this guy went back to school
Maybe.
to do like HVAC or something like that. So I don't know. toilet seems fine. Bathtub seems fine.
Everything seems fine.
Looks good to you, right?
Yeah.
It looks good to you. That's all that matters. You're the man in charge. So you guys gotta do your own apartments now, or find your own place now, right?
Starting January, yeah.
Are you allowed to rent the apartment you're in, or no?
We're allowed to rent, but they're gonna give us market price.
Crazy, crazy.
We'll see what's gonna happen before, but now today we see something new.
I know, eh?
Every day something new.
And you guys gotta go to a lot more buildings, or?